I'm Aksel. I'm from Turkey. Before watchmaking, I was in the tech industry. I studied computer engineering, and I was a business development. I didn't quite fit my own industry, so I started to uh, practice a little bit watchmaking, and then I did a small apprenticeship, a month, and after that it seemed to me that I want to be a watchmaker, so I changed my industry. Challenging but really good, because we always have a different challenge each day, and we try to finish stuff and learn stuff as well. So yeah, the progress and making stuff that has a purpose in my own field right now. So it's a physical stuff that you can work along, and it's nice, quite nice.
Yeah.
A typical day, yeah. We first start probably at 8, and whatever we are doing that week and which part we are in, we start with that, and most of the time we're doing some filing, some measuring, and some adjusting, a lot of adjusting. Yeah, but it's in the first couple of months, it's more in the tool making part. So we're always filing something. Actually, it's I've been to a lot of watch companies because of the schoolwork that I've done, but it's one of the coziest environments I've been in the industry. So there's a lot of people you can ask, and there's a lot of people who know something that's way different than you know, because everybody's coming from a different background. Nobody started as a watchmaker here. So yeah, definitely it gives us the traditional background as a watchmaker, and I think with enough experience we can be great watchmakers. Um, I think if I combine the things that I learned in the school in the 2 year period and with enough experience in the industry, I would like to create some ideas that I have. So if they're thinking about it, they should definitely apply to the school. The course, as I've seen so far, has one of the most traditional watchmaking course that I've seen, and it's not getting in a different way. It's not going to a different side of the watchmaking business. It's always staying traditional, and I think it's started in 1944, so it has been traditional for a long time. So yeah, I think the traditional part and the flexibility part, you always have some flexibility to learn the stuff you want as well. So those two would be my main points.
Okay.